Hi, I'm Dan Renicky with Unknown Media, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fisheye image. For this, we're going to need to jump into our photo editing software, so let's get to it. Alright, so this is the awesome photo of myself that I have chosen to make a fisheye image. First, what we're going to do is go ahead and select our elliptical tool and just create an outline around my face that we will use to fisheye. So we'll go up here to Filter, Distort, Spherize. Go ahead and zoom out a bit so we can see what we're working with. And as you can see in this little menu, that is what our fisheye image is going to look like. So go ahead and select OK. And there I am, fisheyed and all. Now what we can do also is go into Select, Inverse. Now what this is going to do is select around the fisheye image, and we can go ahead and select Delete. Now let's go ahead and add a new layer, and we'll drag that below our layer, and we can use that just to create a little background, create a new fill layer. We'll go Gradient. Alright, and we can do this nice little multicolor gradient behind me, and we'll go ahead and select OK. And if you want the image to stand out a bit more, you can go ahead and add an outer glow. And we can go ahead and increase the size and leave the spread down so it's a nice glow. And we'll change this to normal. Let's go ahead and let's give it a nice blue glow. So now, as you can see, we have a nice fisheye image. And that's how you make a fisheye image. I'm Dan Renicky. Take your best shot.